A happy and cheerful morning to all my children. I hope you all are keeping fit and healthy. So, welcome back. I am Jasmi and we are going to continue with the chapter number 5. Okay. Now, previous video we discussed few difficult words and the remaining few more are there which we will be discussing today. Okay. So, this is a third part we are going to discuss about the word meanings. Alright, the first one we have over is intention. A plan to do something. Intention. Okay, so here we have on your page number, keep your textbook with you, page number 35, third paragraph. On your third paragraph, he had no intention of returning the beam because he knew it would fetch a good price if he were to sell it. Okay? उसको वो beam जो है वो वापस करने का इरादा नहीं था. He had a plan to do something else with that. Okay? So that is the word intention. The next one you have is journey. Journey means when you're traveling to some other place. That is an act of traveling to far away place. When you are traveling from one place to another, you are going somewhere far. We say it a journey. Okay. So this is how you travel. You travel in your car. You travel by your bus, any vehicle. Okay. So this is for your journey. The next one we have magistrate. Okay. On your textbook we have this magistrate. Magistrate. See on page number 36. As soon as they entered the magistrate's room, Lakshman cried, "Your Honor, this man has stolen my son. Please ask him to give me back my son." Okay, so magistrate. Who is a magistrate? He's an official person who acts as a judge in the lower courts. Okay, we have high courts, lower courts. Okay. The lower courts, the person who works as a judge. This is how magistrate. Okay. Next one we have merchant. A person who buys and sells goods. We call it merchant. See, you can see this merchant word on page number 34, your first paragraph. Once there was a rich merchant called Naduk. As time went by, his business became so bad that he had lost all his money, but also got into debt. Okay, so merchant is a person who buys and sells, a businessman. Okay, so he was having a business of iron beam. Okay, this is a person of buying and selling. The next one you have misfortune. Misfortune means bad luck. Bad luck, you can see the word on page number 34 on third paragraph. He was sorry to hear of Naduk's misfortune and unhappy that he was going away. Misfortune यानी bad luck. उसके कर्ज के बोझ के कारण he was supposed to leave that place and go away to a faraway place for continuing his business. Okay. Next you have plenty. Plenty is a pronoun, okay, which means a lot of. Okay, बहुत सारा. When you have plenty of chocolates, you have many chocolates over here. Okay, this is plenty. You can get this word on your textbook, page number 35, the first paragraph, second line. He then returned to his hometown with plenty of money. He bought a new house and started his business in a big way. Okay, he got a lot of money. He had enough. So he bought a new house. He started his new business. Okay, this is what we are talking about. Naduk. The next way we have is staying. Living in a place for particular time. Okay, so Naduk. About Naduk we have that he was living in a place for a particular time. He was staying. Okay. Now the staying word you can find it on page number 35, okay, you have the word when you are having living in a place for a particular time, it's a verb word, okay, staying. Swooped, the hawk swooped down. You know what is swooped? It's quickly when the bird flew to attack something, okay. Here you have the hawk trying to attack a fish, so it's like swooped. Trade, it's about business, okay. So activity of buying and selling goods. This is a trade. A trade can be using aeroplane, using your flight transfers, trains, buses, using your goods truck or something, okay. So this is trade market. Try his luck. This is an idiom to do something that involves risk or luck, hoping to succeed. Try his luck यानी एक कोशिश करना, where he doesn't know that whether he is going to win or not. So this is, you might have seen that spin one, okay, it's just a luck. Either you can get an Xbox or an iPad or a watch, okay. This word you can see it on page number 34, second paragraph. So he decided to go on a long journey to try his luck elsewhere. When he was staying in the city and he found out that there is no use, he was not going to continue with this, he decided it's better I leave this place, I go somewhere where I'll start my business, I'll try to make something new out of this, okay. So that is about try his luck. Warmly, in a friendly manner. How do you welcome your friends? How do you welcome when someone is guests are coming to your home? You welcome them warmly. You welcome them, hello. Okay, hello, Ajo, do that. No, what we do? We welcome them warmly. Please come in. Okay, this is the way we welcome them. So, in a friendly manner, when his friend Lakshman met Naduk after a long time, he welcomed him warmly. Okay. Next one, worried. What do you mean by worried? Worried means nervous, attention. Okay. So when he found that his son was not coming back home, okay. So here on page number 35, the third paragraph, Lakshman looked very worried. He had no intention of returning back the beam. Okay. When he saw that Naduk is at his home saying that, can you return back the iron beam? Lakshman was very much worried. How will I return it back to him? Okay. So that is worried. The next one, next we have no doubt. This is an idiom. Okay. You can find it on your page number 34. The last paragraph. Is that all? Said Lakshman. No doubt, I will keep it for you. You can be sure the beam will be quite safe with me. Okay. So here Lakshman is saying that, do you have any doubt? No, 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 give it to me. It's safe with me. When you're coming back, I'll return it back to you. Okay. So used when one is saying that something is likely to happen. You don't have to doubt when the property is with me. Okay. So he took it into confidence. Now, here we are done with the difficult words. Okay. The next thing we are going to discuss about the exercise. The first one we have, who said the given lines to whom? Okay. We have certain questions over here. Who said the given lines to whom? The first one. Is there anything I can do for you, my friends? Okay. So read this chapter, and in the online classes we are going to discuss this. Okay. Who said this to whom? Okay. You have to mark it. Now, no doubt I will keep it for you. Yes? Yeah, you got me, right? Okay, so just remember that and we are going to discuss with that. No doubt I will keep it for you. Okay. Next one we have, may I have my iron beam back? Who is asking for his iron beam? Yeah, okay. It is Naduk. Naduk is going to ask that, can I have my iron beam back? The fourth one you have, this man has stolen my son. Lakshman is blaming his friend, okay, and he said, this man has stolen my son. And the last one, you are a liar. Okay, so I want you to solve this. When you are meeting up, we'll discuss on this further. Till then, bye.